Welcome to 9239 Palm Canyon Drive. This beautifully updated 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home is located in the California Meadows community of Temescal Valley.
There's local parks and an elementary school right here in the neighborhood. And check out this great curb appeal. This is all water-wise landscaping on drip irrigation, low maintenance.
So let's go inside and take a look.
The first thing you notice is the vaulted ceiling and all these windows. The room is filled with natural light. This kitchen has been updated with new flooring, appliances, and cabinets. Let's go check out the backyard. There's plenty of room for relaxing, enjoying a barbecue, or for kids and pets to play. Now let's check out the upstairs with the bedrooms and the bathrooms. Both of these bathrooms were updated within the last few years. This primary bedroom is spacious with vaulted ceilings. And the best part, this deck gives you the perfect retreat to relax and enjoy the views of Cleveland National Forest. And just over to the east is Spanish Hills, home of the latest poppy bloom just a few weeks ago. We can't say enough how great it is to live right here in Temescal Valley. It's the place we've called home for almost 30 years. Everything's conveniently located within about a 5-minute drive. And you've got Trilogy Golf Course, Tom's Farms, and Glen Hot Springs Spa right here in the neighborhood.
This home has no mellow roofs and the HOAs are only $80 a month, so this makes it a very affordable home. If you'd like to schedule a private showing of this home, give us a call today at 951-660-5926.